Korea, a peninsula nation embraced by the sea, boasts a vibrant seafood industry. From bustling coastal markets to sophisticated processing plants, the nation's connection to the ocean runs deep. Generations of Koreans have honed their skills in harvesting, preparing, and savoring the ocean's bounty. This deep-rooted relationship with seafood is reflected in the sheer variety and abundance of marine products available. One such delicacy, the octopus, holds a special place in the heart of Korean cuisine. The octopus, with its unique taste and texture, is a true star of Korean cuisine. From live octopus sashimi to spicy stir-fries and savory pancakes, this versatile cephalopod features prominently in a wide array of dishes. Its tender yet slightly chewy texture, combined with its ability to absorb flavors, makes it a chef's favorite. The octopus's popularity in Korea is undeniable. It's a testament to the country's adventurous palate and appreciation for the unique flavors of the sea. Parboiling, a crucial step in preparing octopus, involves briefly cooking it in boiling water. This delicate process helps to tenderize the octopus, which is naturally quite chewy. Parboiling also removes any slime and impurities, resulting in a cleaner taste and firmer texture. The precise timing and temperature control during parboiling are crucial. This ensures the octopus retains its natural flavor and doesn't become rubbery. The journey from ocean to table for a parboiled octopus is a carefully orchestrated process. It all starts with the arrival of the freshest catch from the sea, delivered straight to the factory. The octopuses are handled with care to ensure their quality remains intact. Upon arrival, the octopuses are meticulously sorted by size and quality. This sorting is crucial, as it determines the subsequent steps in the process. Workers then proceed to clean each octopus thoroughly, removing any impurities and ensuring they are ready for the next stage. The cleaned octopuses are then plunged into large vats of boiling water. This boiling process is not arbitrary, it is a precise science. The temperature of the water and the duration of the boil are carefully controlled to ensure the octopuses achieve the perfect texture. Timing is everything. The duration of the boil is meticulously calculated based on the size and type of each octopus. Too short and the octopus remains tough, too long and it becomes overly soft. Achieving the perfect balance is key to the parboiling process. Once the octopuses have been parboiled to perfection, they are immediately transferred to an ice bath. This rapid cooling process is essential as it halts the cooking process instantly, locking in the desired texture and preserving the octopus's natural flavors and freshness. The final step in the journey is packaging. The parboiled octopuses are carefully packed to maintain their quality during transportation. They are then shipped out, ready to be enjoyed by seafood lovers in homes and restaurants across the country. Each step from ocean to table is designed to ensure the highest quality and freshest taste. Section 5. A symphony of machines and skilled hands. Modern octopus processing facilities like those found in Korea are a testament to the marriage of technology and human expertise. These state-of-the-art factories are designed to handle large volumes of seafood with remarkable efficiency, ensuring that every octopus is processed to the highest standards. These factories utilize sophisticated machinery to ensure efficiency and consistency in every step of the parboiling process. The technology employed is not just about speed, it's about maintaining the delicate balance required to preserve the quality and texture of the octopus. Large automated vats precisely control the temperature and timing of the parboiling process. These vats are equipped with advanced sensors and control systems that monitor every aspect of the process, from the initial heating to the final cooling stages, ensuring that each octopus is cooked to perfection. Conveyor belts transport the octopuses through various stages, from cleaning to packaging. This seamless movement through the factory ensures that the octopuses are handled efficiently, reducing the time they spend in processing and maintaining their freshness. Despite the advanced technology, skilled workers play a vital role. These workers are trained to operate the machinery and to intervene whenever necessary, ensuring that the technology is used to its fullest potential. Their trained eyes and hands ensure each octopus is handled with care and precision. They inspect the octopuses at various stages, looking for any imperfections or issues that the machines might miss, and making adjustments as needed to ensure the highest quality. They are the guardians of quality, ensuring that only the best products reach consumers. Their expertise and attention to detail are what make these facilities truly exceptional, combining the best of human skill and technological innovation to deliver a product that is both delicious and safe. Section 6. Maintaining purity, hygiene and quality control. Hygiene and quality control are paramount in any food processing facility, and octopus factories are no exception. Ensuring the highest standards of cleanliness and quality is essential to delivering a product that is not only safe to eat but also delicious and nutritious. Stringent hygiene protocols are in place at every stage of the production process. This includes the initial handling of the octopus, the various stages of processing, and the final packaging. Each step is meticulously monitored to ensure that the highest standards are maintained. From the moment the octopuses arrive at the factory to the final packaging, every step is designed to minimize the risk of contamination. The unloading process is carefully managed to prevent any external contaminants from entering the facility. Workers are trained to handle the octopus with care, using techniques that preserve the quality and integrity of the product. Regular inspections are conducted to ensure that all equipment is impeccably clean and that all processes meet the highest standards of hygiene. These inspections are thorough and frequent, covering everything from the machinery used in processing to the surfaces and tools that come into contact with the octopus. These rigorous measures guarantee that the parboiled octopus reaching consumers is safe, clean, and of the highest quality. The final product is carefully packaged to maintain its freshness and flavor, ensuring that when it reaches your table, it is as good as it was when it left the factory. This commitment to hygiene and quality control is what sets our products apart, providing you with peace of mind and a superior culinary experience. Section 7. Korea's insatiable appetite for octopus. Octopus consumption in Korea is nothing short of impressive. The country consumes an astonishing amount of octopus each year, solidifying its position as one of the world's leading consumers of this cephalopod. This high demand is fueled by the octopus's versatility in Korean cuisine, appearing in everything from street food snacks to high-end restaurant dishes. The popularity of octopus also extends beyond its culinary appeal. In Korean culture, the octopus is seen as a symbol of strength, intelligence, and good fortune. Section 8. A sea of change. The impact of mass production. The advent of mass production techniques like those employed in Korea's octopus factories has revolutionized the seafood industry. These efficient and hygienic methods have made it possible to meet the ever-growing demand for octopus, both domestically and internationally. The ability to process large volumes of octopus has also helped to stabilize prices, making this delicacy accessible to a wider range of consumers. Furthermore, the advancements in parboiling techniques have improved the quality and consistency of the final product, ensuring that consumers can enjoy tender and flavorful octopus every time.